Hey friends, on today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to pair your Apple AirPods. These are AirPod Pros, but it'll also work for regular AirPods with your iPhone. Now, this is obviously a very simple process if you have multiple devices on a single account, but let me kind of show you if you're doing this for the first time. So we obviously want to make sure there's a charge on both the case and the headphones inside. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to go into the settings on our iPhone. And you're going to scroll down until you see Bluetooth. Once we click on Bluetooth, just make sure Bluetooth is turned on your iPhone. You can see some other devices that are connected to my wife's phone here, and we are ready to pair. So the way we do this is just by opening up the case. Now again, if these devices are already on your plan, you may get this notice just like that. It'll pop up. The other way, if it's not on your device network yet, you can turn this around, again, make sure the case is open. There's a little button on the back of mine. There may be a little pressure sensor if you have the newest version of the AirPods. We're just gonna push and hold that button for a couple seconds. And then on the front of the case, you'll see this little white light that is blinking. And that means everything is in pairing mode. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put those down there. Again, we can come over here onto our little notice on the iPhone. We're going to click on Connect. It may walk you through a couple of little tutorials if you need it. I'm going to go ahead and skip this stuff. We'll go ahead and cancel that out. And then as you can see, you'll get a battery indicator. We'll click out of that as well. And then on your Bluetooth devices, you can now see Scott's AirPod Pros has been added to the connection list. In fact, what you can do over here is click that little info button. This is where you can really dial in all of your personal settings for how you want your headphones set up. If you ever want to delete this device or remove it completely from your iPhone, you can come down here and you can actually click disconnect or forget this device. Fairly simple process, friends. I hope that's helped. If it has, hit that thumbs up button. And then stay tuned, we got a bunch more of these Apple tutorial videos that are coming up. Subscribe, and we'll see you again on the next one.